There's a good reason why you had your home on the market. There were certain benefits to selling, and it didn't work out. I'd be willing to bet it wasn't your fault. So what happened? You want energy and innovation for your best real estate experience, and that's all right here. My team at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Realty Pros in Wilbraham and Deborah Sells Houses have helped dozens of people like you who had a wish and a dream and a goal, and they thought they had to give it up. But then they connected with me. 3 steps: call, consultation, which is really just a fancy word for meeting, and closing. Just call, we'll talk, I will show you, and a closing will follow. So don't hesitate. Just give me a call right now, and we'll put a meeting together. It'll be easy, very low key, certainly no pressure, and hey, maybe all those dreams can come true yet. I'm a believer. Just give me a call. Deborah Deschamps with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Realty Pros and Deborah Sells Houses. Thank you.